So as you can see, guys, everything's ready to come out. Just hold on by a couple bolts on the mounts. We're getting our little setup to pull it out with the good old Kubota here. And yeah, we'll catch you in a minute.
One more? You don't have much more. Keep going. Huh? Yeah, we're good. Keep going. Stop. Is that Max? Alright, back up. Is that Max? Back up. Back up. You're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Way smoother than last time. I was seeing good on this. Huh? I was seeing good on this. Yeah. What's up, Jerry? What's up, man? How you doing? Pretty good. He's good company. Say what? What you been up to, Jake? A lot of work. There you go. Alright, motor's pulled out. We're gonna clean this up, throw it on the stand, and we'll be back. Engine's on the stand, ready to be torn down. Oh, shit. See if you can get in there. It looks alright. Nice and pretty clean. Not bad. It's all disgusting on the outside though. But get this thing torn down soon. Later tonight, get some dinner first. But yeah.
Should I bring my toolbox up there? You know what would work? Those nickel pliers that Snap-on has.
It's not even gonna tighten there. If I can get a good sock. Engine's tore down, valve covers off, oil pans off, oil pumps off, water pump, all that stuff. We're waiting on going over the socket for the head because I don't have a deep socket for the head stud. I lost it, but everything down here looks pretty good. Alright, taking the head off, all the bolts are out. Yeah, look at how much piston the wall clearance that is. Look how loose this piston the wall clearance is. Zoom in on that. I mean, even over here too. You don't want that much wiggle. But let's look at the head gasket. We were having coolant issues, and yes, we were. We're blowing through. Get the light on this. Or you get the light on right here. We're blowing through. Right here, here, pretty much in every cylinder. On this side, which is the top side. So that's why we're overing the head. Let's see how the head looks. Right over here. Get the light over here. Alright. It looks fine. You want the electric ratchet?
Yeah.
Start pulling?
Yeah.
Nice. So make sure these are together. Because these are machined.
Hey, show the.
Oh yeah, the skirts. They should be usable.
I think that looks good.
These pistons only have a couple hundred miles on them.
Jack.
Let's just see the last one. It's kind of worn off here, which I'm concerned about, but should be alright. There's number one. They're small. Look at that. It's my hand.
Yeah.
How's the skirt look? That's good. Turn around. It's not bad.
Decent.
Take the crank out. You good?
God, this thing is so nice.
I know.
$120.
That's it?
Slow as shit.
Might have to invest in that.
Slow as shit? Are you fucking serious? God, that smells like fucking dick.
Yeah.
That shit's so fucking bad. It's fine if the screen turns off.
I just like to see it. I don't know which point.
I just think Mage is about lube.
Yeah, that's what
I hope you got him.
Place it in the box.
You might need a.
Oh yeah, no, you're not getting this off right. Can you hold this?
Where are these torque for?
I think 40 something. Nothing bad.
Oh, that ain't bad.
Keep going.
Oh yeah, she's moving.
Here, lift up on it while I do that. Here, let me go this side. Oh, that's such a way to fucking throw.